In the NDFL Cup, they are only about, ano yung meaning ng LCAC? And local armed conflict.
And local community and conflict.
And local, there, LCAC. Nakalimutan ko yung sagot ko. Sandali. I cannot explain that you, as I said, before I was saying the problem of the Philippines is kahirapan, kagutuman, corruption, and all the other peace and order issues. But so I will not help them solve the problem.